Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to earn money and receive rewards in Hamster Combat. So, in Hamster Combat, players can earn rewards through various methods including in-game achievements, battling, trading and participating in special events. So, I have this step-by-step guide on how you can earn from Hamster Combat. Step 1 will be participating in battles and competitions. So, one of the primary ways to earn in Hamster Combat is by completing in PvP battles. Winning these battles can reward you with tokens, hamster upgrades or other valuable in-game items. Also, you can look out for special in-game events and tournaments. These events often offer larger rewards for higher placement. Participating in tournaments is a great way to earn exclusive rewards. Now, step 2 will be completing the daily and weekly missions. The game offers daily challenges or missions that reward you for completing specific tasks like winning battles, gathering resources, or upgrading hamsters. In addition to daily tasks, there are often weekly challenges that provide bigger rewards. So, completing a series of these challenges can accumulate valuable items or tokens. Now, step 3 will be trading and selling hamster. So, some players breed their hamsters and then sell them in the game's marketplace. So, higher level or rare hamsters can fetch a significant price. So, focus on upgrading and breeding unique hamsters to earn more from the trades. Aside from hamsters, certain in-game resources like tokens, skins, or special items can also be traded or sold. So, keep an eye on the marketplace to make sales. Now, step 4 will be earning through crypto and blockchain integration. Now, many blockchain-based games like Hamster Combat offers players the chance to earn tokens or cryptocurrency by engaging in battles or completing tasks. These tokens can often be converted into real-world money through exchanges. To start earning tokens, you will need to connect a wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet to your Hamster Combat account. So this will allow you to store and manage the tokens you earn. Now, step 5 will be participating in special events. Occasionally, Hamster Combat may host a special event where you can earn exclusive rewards such as limited edition items, tokens, or even special hamsters that you can sell or use to gain an advantage. Now, these events often feature milestones that unlock rewards as you participate. For example, reaching a certain number of battles or wins might unlock special items or currency. Now, step 6 will be inviting friends and referral programs. So, many games, including Hamster Combat, offer referral bonuses for inviting new players. So, share your referral link with friends to earn rewards, which could include in-game currency, items, or exclusive hamsters. Some referral programs reward you with extra bonuses for completing tasks after inviting someone. This could include things like having your referred player reach a certain level or make their first purchase. Now, step 7 will be watch ads for bonuses. Some games reward players with tokens, in-game items, or currency for watching short advertisements. Check if Hamster Combat offers this feature and take advantage of it to earn passive rewards. Now, 8th step will be use premium features. If Hamster Combat offers a VIP membership or subscription plan, consider subscribing. So these plans often come with perks like bonus currency, extra rewards, and faster progression through the game. Now, step 9 will be participating in affiliate program if available. Some games have affiliate programs that allow you to earn by promoting the game. Look out for affiliate opportunities from Hamster Combat where you can earn a commission for referring other players who make in-game purchases. Now, step 10 will be trading and investing in the in-game economy. So, monitor the in-game economy to identify trends where you can buy low and sell high. For example, certain rare hamsters or items may increase in value over time. So, investing in them early could earn you a substantial profit later on. If Hamster Combat supports token stocking or investment, you can stake your tokens to earn passive income or rewards over time. Now, I have some tips for earning more from Hamster Combat. First one will be staying active in the game. Consistent gameplay, especially with daily logins, and task completions will ensure that you maximize your earnings over time. Now, second tip will be engaging with the community. Join the official Hamster Combat forums or social media groups to stay updated on special events, deals, and earning opportunities. Now, third tip will be strategize your battles. Focus on strategic battles to ensure you win more frequently, thus earning rewards and tokens faster. By following these steps, you can start earning tokens and items and cryptocurrencies in Hamster Combat, making the most of both in-game opportunities and blockchain integration. So these were the ways through which you can earn money and receive rewards in Hamster Combat. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.